Once again, a very good morning, everyone. So, this is second class of computers, that is chapter 3, part 2. In previous class, we had discussed about virus, its types, various harms that a virus can cause, what were the routes via which virus used to enter inside our system, then the type of the virus, bombs, etc. Right? Remember? And the last one was the various prevention measures. So in this class, we would be starting again the rest portion of the chapter 3. Question is how to protect computer from virus. Various prevention measures we can take, but what are the other ways via which we can directly prevent or protect our computer from a virus? The answer to this question is antivirus. So antivirus is basically the method, or you can say is the one which can let our computer to protect from virus. Starting on from the definition itself, antivirus software. An antivirus software is a computer program that can identify and remove computer viruses and other malicious, suspicious softwares like worms, trojans from an infected computer. You might remember in our previous class, we had discussed what were our worms, what are trojans, etc. So in this class, we would be discussing how to prevent, and that is all done by antivirus software. Using this antivirus software, you can directly identify and remove the computer viruses and other such malicious softwares also from an infected computer. It will first thing that will be done by antivirus software is to identify. Once the identification is done, it will directly remove viruses also, along with it worms, trojans, etc. Now, second point is also an antivirus software protect the computer from further virus attacks. That means in future, if any other virus is going to trying to attack your computer system, an antivirus software will also protect your system from that particular virus or from that particular malicious software. Here are the few examples you can see of antivirus software from Bitdefenders to Vamper Roots, Anti-Spyware, ABG is there, McAfee is there, AppSecure is there, many are there. All right. Top 7 also you can see on the same particular slides also. There are many number of the antivirus software, and these type of the software names you can also find it on various other search engines like Google, etc. So now we would be jumping on to the idea that how an antivirus works. This particular question will be there, that how is an antivirus is working, how it used to identify, how it used to remove that particular virus. Answer to this question is an antivirus software examine each and every file that is there inside the computer and examines its content also. Content in this case means examines the data that a particular file contains with the virus definitions stored in its virus dictionary. Just like there is English dictionary that used to have English words, same is here, virus dictionary that has certain virus definitions. These definitions are stored in antivirus softwares. Antivirus software examine each and every file, examine the data that that file contains, and thus protect your computer. Now this examine is done in these three steps that you can see on this slide itself. First one is install antivirus. Antivirus will not work till the point of time you are not going to install it. First thing needed is to load antivirus into your computer system, and this is installing your antivirus. Second step here is update antivirus regularly. You are supposed to update the particular antivirus software also regularly. Last one is scan computer regularly. Scan computer in this case regularly means scanning the particular computer with antivirus software. Once you are scanning, scanning is done with antivirus software only. So let's dig into deep with the first one itself. Install antivirus. There are many number of the antivirus softwares available in the market with great cost, right? Many number of the functionalities. Some of them didn't involve and can provide you a very strict safety, security, didn't let any of the, you can say viruses or other malicious software, type of the term such as like Trojans to enter inside your system. So you can have any one of them as per your functionality, as per your demand. You, once you are purchasing it from the market, very first thing needed is to install the antivirus. Once the antivirus is installed, second thing is keep on updating it. You have seen in your mobile phones also, there are certain cleaners, security applications that used to clean your mobile phones. Cleaning mobile phones, that means cleaning up your bad sectors, cleaning up the free memory space. Here also somewhat just the same only. Once you are installing of the virus, second thing is updation needed. Updation means once you are updating it, making it to have new terms, new virus dictionary. More it is updated, more security it will provide. Given up the application, this explanation also on the same slide, an antivirus application or an antivirus program or software needed to be upgraded so that it can let your computer to fight against the new viruses that may appear quite often or are, this is quite okay, quite often or are new in market. That means the particular antivirus software that enters inside the market newly or a newly discovered particular, you can say the virus, or the one that keeps on appearing quite. There is a particular spelling also, Quite, quite, okay. So this particular virus that keep on coming up again and again, these all things can be evenly protected, can evenly let your system to be protected only when your antivirus is updated. As you can see in the picture also, it is written over here, you have to update adware, this is the name of the virus, sorry, antivirus software, adware total security now. This adware is the name of the antivirus program. So installation done, updation done, third and the last one is scanning. Now the scanning, as you can see in this pictorial representation itself, the scanning is basically done in two methods. First one, scanning computer. Next one, scanning external devices. Now they are involved, both of them, scanning computers also and scanning external devices also involve various number of different steps. How to be done and when to be done, that also we would be teaching you in this class only. Right now, pay attention to scanning computer. Scanning computer, basically this term means scanning the entire computer itself, entire files. The content of those files itself is actually scanning of the computer. Second one is scanning external devices. External means something that is from outside. What can come from, can come to your system from outside. That can be pen drives, CDs, memory cards, etc. So scanning of those external media, such as like pen drive, CD, memory card, etc., are basically scanning up of the external devices. So this scanning, again we are concluding, is done in two methods. First one is scanning the computer, in which you are scanning the files, the particular content of the files properly and completely. And second one is scanning external devices, in which you are scanning up the external medium like pen drive, CD, memory cards, etc. So moving on to further, the first part we are discussing, as you had seen, scanning the computer. Now we are discussing the same scanning the computer steps. So as you can look on here, we follow these steps to scan a computer using an antivirus software generally. So this scanning is only done using an antivirus software that we had already told you. So here are the steps written. Read it out. Step number 1, open the antivirus window. Whatever antivirus software there is inside your computer that you might have installed earlier, open that antivirus window. Once that window opens, the same step is continued. Click on the scan option. Which option? Scan option. To initiate the scanning, to start the scanning. So very first step is open the antivirus window and the same click on which option? Scan option. So once the scan option is being clicked, thus comes the step 2, click on scan option, then you will be taken to various scan options. Here in this slide, you have learned 2 steps. First one was open the antivirus window, click on scan option so that the scanning can begin. And all this entire process, we are scanning what? We are scanning the entire computer, scanning the entire files. Step 2, click on the scan option and thus you will be taken to various scan options. Now, as you can see on the screen, step 3 and 4 are also mentioned. Step 3, click on full scan to scan all drives. Here, drives means the various drives that you can see in your computer system. Drive C is there, D, G, etc. Many drives are there. FO is also available, removable medium, mostly. So clicking onto that full scan to scan all the drivers can be only done so that all your drives can be properly and all scanned and all the files, their content also can be properly scanned. After the scan is complete, a message confirming protection of the computer appears. The same type of the message you can see on the top of the screen also of the slide. You are safe is written, right? So this type of the message will be appeared onto the screen showing you that or confirming you that the protection of the computer is properly done. The particular scanning is properly conducted. Here also you can see in this particular steps written over there. Here you are doing full scan. Once the full scan is being done, then once the full scan here, you will click and it is done. The last one is, it will directly show you the a complete message like here. And it is showing you the particular, it is not clearly readable, but yet it is showing that computer is protected. Or it can show you a message like this. This is particularly clear. You are safe. Last one is click on the close button to finish the task. Before we move further, let's revise it again. Scanning the computer involve how many steps? 4. Step 1, click on antivirus window, then click on correct scan option so that the scanning can be started. Step number 2, click on scan option. You will be taken to various scan options. Step 3, click on which option now? Full scan to scan all the drives. Once that drives are scanned, that means all your files, all the content of the files are also scanned. Once the scan is completed, what will come onto the screen? A confirming message, a confirming protection of computer will appear. Like in screen also it is coming, the topmost picture you can see, you are safe, that is written. Next option, the next step is click on the last button, that is the close button, so that the particular task can be finished. So in this way we had conducted scanning of the computer. Moving on to scanning the external devices. This you might have seen many number of the times. External devices, we are revising again. That means various pen drive, various CDs, etc. They are also supposed to be scanned because in last class we had learned that a virus can also find its way to enter inside our system by the means of pen drives, by the means of CD, by the means of correct memory cards, etc. So scanning is supposed to be done. Read it out here. As we attach an external device like a CD-ROM or pen drive to a computer, the antivirus software asks to confirm scanning. As we click on full scan option, scanning begins. And if a virus is detected, a message is displayed and the antivirus deletes it. So that means scanning this external device by the means of antivirus software can only be performed once you confirm the scanning. Once you clicked on which option? Scan, full scan option. You can also see in this picture here provided onto this slide, there is an option written here, full scan. Bit hard for you to read it out, but yet it is written full scan. Please try to read it. Once you click on this full scan option, scanning will be started. And if the virus is detected, scanning is done. That means whatever number of the files, whatever content is stored in that pen drive or in that CD, that particular content will be properly readed, will by the antivirus software, will be properly, you can say, not readed in that case, you can say, yes, it is properly scanned, it is properly evaluated, examined by antivirus software. Once that scanning is basically done, the virus, if it is there, it will be detected, it will be identified, and once the virus is detected, a message will be displayed and the antivirus will definitely delete that virus also. So again concluding it, external device scanning. That means scanning whom? Scanning your pen drives, scanning your CDs, etc. This scanning is supposed to be done because these pen drives, these CDs might let the virus to enter inside your computer. How to do this scanning? This scanning can be only done by clicking on the very first option given in this particular paragraph. That is, as we click on which option? Full scan option. Once the full scan option is clicked, scanning will then begins. Once the scanning is ended, if virus is present, that will be definitely detected along with the message, and antivirus software will definitely delete it. Now comes the another one, few other steps that let your system to be protected against virus. To protect your system against virus, you have to follow certain number of the steps. Moving from that slide, here we have certain number of the steps. So we will read them one by one. First one, installed a good antivirus software on your computer system. That is for sure. You need a good software, a good antivirus program to be installed on your computer so that the scanning can be properly done, scanning of your computer files, scanning of your external devices, and thus the virus cannot enter your computer. Second is update antivirus regularly. Updation is needed. Why it is needed, we had already discussed. Antivirus updation is needed so that new virus definitions can be thus entered, and the virus that are appearing quite often, the viruses that are coming new in market, your antivirus can even protect your computer from such type of viruses. Third, be careful while downloading file or programs from the internet. We had read this in our last class, also part 1 class, in which we were supposed to download. There was the, roots of entering virus. One of them was downloading infected file. The same here precaution measure is also given. Be careful once you are downloading any sort of the program or any sort of the file from the internet. Next is always scan your floppies, CDs, flash drives before using them. That means whatever external media you are using, try to scan them always so that you won't let any virus or any other sort of the malicious thing to enter inside your computer. Last one is do not use pirated software. Pirated software, you can say, are those software that are not authorized, that are not patent, that are basically copyrighted. Now, this is a huge term again, but try to simplify it in this line that pirated software are actually, you can say, illegally software, illegally sold out software. The software that are not legally sold to you are thus called as pirated software. Last is turn on firewall on your computer operating system. Firewalls are supposed to be turned up so that the computer can be thus protected from these viruses also. Conclusion last is the, here you can see, first step, be aware of the new infections out there. Here, infection doesn't mean any sort of the disease. Here, infections only means new type of the virus, new sort of the malicious things that might enter inside your computer. And these routes can be known to you so that once you are opening up new mail, new attachment, or you are opening or downloading any other sort of infected file, you might be aware how and what to do. Okay. Second is, take precaution measures. Precaution measures are supposed to be undertook by you so that virus may not enter. Third, always back up your data. Keep your data backed up at any point of time. Even if by you it got deleted up, it will be better to back it up so that once backup data you are having, you can directly use it, and thus there will be no loss of data. Fourth is, keep up to date on new antivirus software. That means the same thing. Update your antivirus software regularly. Last one is, simply avoid programs from unknown sources. You are not supposed to download or to, use any sort of the programs that are having a link from any unknown sources. Unknown sources means directly the malicious or suspicious users, websites, etc. So this particular chapter 3 is now over. All the exercise will be forwarded to you soon. Homeworks are already there in school portal. Try to figure it out, copy them in your copies, and thus UT syllabus has been completed. Thank you so much.